Acknowledgement and Jurat are the most common notarial acts our notaries are asked. Acknowledgements are usually associated with real estate conveyances, mortgages, powers of attorney, or agreements. Jurats, oaths or affirmations, are frequently utilized in affidavits, declarations, applications, court-related documents, and other sworn statements. Both acknowledgments and jurats are certificates that are used to authenticate the identity of the individual signing the document. They do not prove a document itself is true, legal, valid, or enforceable. The difference between the two is as follows. Acknowledgement. An acknowledgement certificate indicates that the signer personally appeared before the notary, was identified by the notary, may either sign the document before appearing before the notary, or in the presence of the notary, and acknowledged or declared to the notary that the document was freely signed. Verbal ceremony performed. Do you acknowledge that you signed this document voluntarily and for the purposes stated therein? An example of an acknowledgement notarial certificate. Jurat. A jurat indicates that the signer personally appeared before the notary, was identified by the notary, was given an oath or affirmation by the notary attesting to the truthfulness of the document, must respond out loud, and silent answers such as a nod of the head are not acceptable, and signed the document in the notary's presence. Verbal ceremony performed. Oaths, for religious people. Do you solemnly swear under penalty of perjury that the statements in this document are true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Affirmations, for some people have religious convictions against taking an oath. Do you affirm under penalty of perjury that the statements in this document are true and correct to the best of your knowledge? An example of a jurat notarial certificate.